Hello everyone, welcome to Papa Franz Cooks. Hi Kate. A lot of people may not know it, but the Philippines is one of the biggest producers of pineapple. When you say pineapple, people will probably think about Hawaii, which is appropriate, but many years ago, the production or farming of pineapple was moved to the Philippines. So most of your pineapple would be farmed and produced in the Philippines. So in that light, we're going to make pineapple chicken, or what we call in the Philippines, Pininyahan. Pinya is pineapple in Filipino, so it's like pineappleized chicken. Its main ingredients for pineapple chicken or Pininyahan will be, of course, our chicken. This is a 3-pound chicken. We're going to have 1 whole tomato, which I minced, 6 cloves of garlic, which I also minced, 1 whole onion, which I also minced, some salt, pepper, and I do have here a can of pineapple chunks. We're going to use the juice of the pineapple chunks in here as well as the pineapple. So before we go on, I'm just going to slice this chicken into stew-sized pieces, and then we're going to start the cooking of the Pininyahan. Okay? So get ready for Pininyahan. So we've heated a pan and put some oil, and now we're going to saute our aromatics, the minced onion. Going to saute it for around 30 seconds just to soften it. And then we're going to follow it up with our 6 cloves of minced garlic. So while this is softening up, the onions are softening up, I think it's good to go. I'll put in our 6 cloves of minced garlic. So here's our garlic. It's all minced. So just a quick saute so it doesn't burn. And then we're going to put in our 1 whole tomato, minced as well, and cook them all together until they soften up. So you just get ready with the chicken. We've already sliced the chicken. So once the vegetables, the aromatics have softened, get ready with the sliced chicken, sliced in stew size slices. So we put them all in there. We're going to try to brown the chicken meat. Oops, our wingtip just fell in there. I'm going to get rid of that one. I don't want that. So there you go. We're just going to try to brown all of the chicken meat. But I think with the liquid that's coming out of the tomato, it'll be hard to brown the chicken meat. But try your best. Probably if you could put the aromatics to the side and just allow the chicken to hit the pan directly, you'll be able to brown the chicken. But if not, it's still okay, because we're going to simmer the chicken. So after attempting to brown it, we're going to put in a cup of cold water, room temperature water. I forgot to buy pineapple juice, a can of pineapple juice. So we're going to instead use the juice of the pineapple chunks. But it would be much better if you have a can of pineapple juice, because we're going to reduce the liquid while we're going to cook this, and to allow reducing the liquid. So the time that we're going to, for the next step, we have to reduce all of the liquid. So we're here, I think this is half reduced. It would be much better if we're maybe around 1/3 reduced, so the sauce gets thicker, but that's okay. Now we can put in, this is a 12-ounce can of pineapple chunks. We'll put in half a can, so that's around 6 ounces of the pineapple. You could put all of it, but for me, I'm just putting half. I think it might be too sweet, but I could be wrong. You could add it in later on anyway, and I suspect I would. So just mix it in there, cook it for around 10 minutes, and put some fresh cracked pepper, and also to put some salt just to season the dish. Okay, and simmer that for around 10 minutes until the pineapple is going to be cooked or softens up. So here we have it. We've plated the pininyahan or pineapple chicken. Is it on? So here we have it, the pineapple chicken, or what we call in the Philippines, pininyahan. So let's have a taste. Get some of that sauce and the pineapple. It smells very fresh because of the pineapple. Oh, that's good. Sweet, acidic. It tastes really good. Sweet, acidic, a little bit salty. It's akin to like having an adobo without the soy sauce. This will serve really well with rice. Just really good. Different kind of fresh taste of different kind of cooking chicken. Freshness of the pineapple, acidic, salty, and peppery. And I hope you try it. Enjoy.